Well, hello, it's Trading Physicist. I'm back, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get price of the Bybit API using HTTP requests in Python. So if we go to the main website of Bybit, I mean the main API website, we get this site. Just type in Bybit API in the web, and it should pop up. I mean. We go to Explore API Docs, Introduction. I mean, you can watch my Binance tutorial to see how to navigate this site. I'm not gonna do it here. So we go to Integration Guidance. We skip that text. We go to Mainnet, and we see HTTPS API Bybit.com. Copy that. Then go back to VS Code. We define a constant named base URL, let's say, and we just paste that in the quotes. And then we need to define a specific URL for our price requests. And first of all, I'm actually going to import requests. It's a library to use HTTP requests, get requests and post requests easily. I mean, you can use one that you prefer. I just like requests. So for the URL, we go back to the API. We go to markets, we go to get tickers. There we see get tickers query for the latest price snapshot, which is what we want. And we see two parameters. We see category and symbol, and the category is required, and symbol I mean, we're going to ask for a price of a symbol, not for all the prices. So we are going to specify the symbol parameter as well. We see the request is get v5 markets tickers. Copy that. Now paste it in here. Now how do you add parameters to HTTP strings? So first we need to create an endpoint, which is base URL plus URL. A combination of these two URLs. This is string concatenation. And parameters are added like that. We put a question mark, and then we put a parameter, let's say symbol, equals, and then we need to put in like BTC USDT. If we see on the website which parameters we use, this category, and it's either spot, linear, inverse option. We're going to use spot because we want the real price, the spot price, and there's a parameter symbol. So first let's define the category. We can actually write it in the URL. There's no need to dynamically add that because it never changes. Category is equal to spot, and there's an end sign. Symbol is equal to. What do we set that to? We set the symbol to be one of our chosen ones. If you want to loop over many symbols, we need to define a variable. So let's say symbol is BTC USDT. And then we make that an F string, which is a formatted string. It allows us to put variable values in using the curly braces. We put that in the quotes, and then we say symbol, which is our variable. And if we print that, we will see it will print v5 market tickers, category, spots, and symbol is BTC USDT. Let's try that. As expected. Alright. I'm sorry for my voice, I'm a little sick today, but I hope you don't mind. I hope you don't mind the break I've had. Then if we've got the endpoint, which is the base URL plus this long piece of code, we can ask the Bybit API for the data. So we do response because it will return a response, requests, get. And then we see URL is the required parameter, which will be our endpoint, and we don't put any headers in. And let's see if it will print something. So print response. Now this will not print our the thing we want, because it will print a JSON encoded thing. As you see, response. We need to call .json on that, and it will print this. This, as we see, is a dictionary dictated by these parentheses. with keys red code, red message, and result. And this results key, if we pass it in to the response, it will give us another dictionary. So let's just do the result thing first. So let's do result is response, and we call the key result. So result. You can either use square braces or dot get and pose result. Yeah. Now that's another dictionary. So we get category spot and list. This is a list of our data we asked for. So a list of dictionaries which contain our specified symbols, like this one: symbol Bitcoin, bit price, bit size, ask price, etc. Last price. This is what we're going to use for our price. So let's just actually get this list first from the dictionary. So we are to use I don't know how to call it. Data is result. We call for the key list in here. List. Let's print the data. We see it is a list of length 1. If we just print length of data, we should get 1 at the end. There it is. So we can just call that our specified symbol info is data 0th index, which is the first thing on the list, which will be this whole dictionary from the symbol up to the last index price. If we print info, we get this. Now we have the symbol, we need to get the price from it. So the symbol is, the info is a dictionary, and it's got a key called last price, which is in camel case. And actually this price is in quotes, as you can see, which will be important in just a second. It's 83,334. So we put the price is info. Remember the key, it was last price. In quotes, last price. Okay, now we get that. That's the price, but it's actually not a number yet. If we try to subtract 1 from it, we will get an error. Wait. Print price minus 1. It won't work. Yeah, exactly. Unsupported operand types for string and int, because this thing is an int. So we need to do price is float of price. We use float because there's a decimal, as you can see there, 62. We finally print that, print the price. We get what we looked for. Now you can do subtraction. 1,000. Yeah, there it is, 82,000. Now you can use whatever strategy you have. So price is greater than, let's say, 80,000, because that would be your stop loss or something. Print sell. See if it prints sell. Yeah, it did. So you can do many operations with that. Comparisons, subtractions, divisions, etc. So thank you for watching and cheers, guys.